Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have created a classic black smoky eye look with nude lips, and I got inspired by Sonam Kapoor's makeup that she wore for the Blend Sprite fashion tour in the month of December 2017. And one of my favorite makeup artists, Mickey Contractor, created this look on her. I love the fact that this makeup looks very elaborated, but it has actually been done with very basic shades that most of us have at home, and it's gonna suit every eye shape you can think of, and smoky eyes are always in trend, right? So you might want to wear this for the next event you'll be attending, and I'm gonna just show you how to do it. So let's get started. In order to create a flawless base, I'm using the L'Oreal Base the Cheek Primer. This is a primer that will ensure that your pores are less visible when you apply a foundation, and I also really moisturize my skin before this, so make sure you moisturize the skin well and then apply a primer before you jump onto the foundation. And for the foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Radiant Sand. This is like one of my cult favorite foundations, and this particular shade has a nice yellow undertone. So it really works for the Indian complexions. Most of us have a yellow undertone. And now I'm going to use the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. This particular shade is very close to my skin tone, so it's great for concealing, and I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids to create a nice base for a smoky eye. Make sure you create a base for a smoky eye, and we want to ensure that it lasts really long. So I'm blending with the YBB Perfector, and I'm finally setting it with the Bharat and Doris Loose Powder. And this particular shade has a nice yellow undertone, so it really brightens up the area and also sets it, and it doesn't really make it look cakey, which is exactly what I want for my base. Now for the brows, I'm using the Freedom Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown. Sonam has one of the best brows I can see, among all the actresses, so I really wanted like fuller brows, that would photograph really well, and I really wanted to fill my brows really well. Now taking this pinkish color from the Makeup Revolution 45 the Brave palette, I'm going to use this color as a transition, and now I'm using my Amber Attitude Kajal on my waterline, and I'm really layering it up and also lining between my lashes. And now I'm just going to blink my eyes so that the color gets transferred on the upper waterline, because I find tight lining very difficult. So it's a great trick for you guys. And now I'm going to smudge it. I'm already smudging it, right? Alright, so once that is done, I'm going to apply this color even on the upper lash line, and this does not have to be even because we're going to smudge it anyway. And I'm creating a nice black base for a smoky eye. This is going to ensure that the color looks really intense, and it's going to last all day or all night. And now I'm going to apply this black color with the brush that comes in the palette. So as you can see, I'm applying it on the color that we created, the base that we created. And now I'm taking the mixture of these two colors and I'm gonna blend it on my crease. The footage actually started getting a little whitish, as you can see, so I had to refilm this part, and now as you can see the footage is clearer. So I took the colors and I blended my smoky eye really well, and give this time, guys. It's gonna take like 2 to 3 minutes, and follow it up with a clean blending brush, as you can see me doing here. Now I'm taking this warm brown and I'm gonna apply it slightly above the crease to give it a nice definition and to create a nice wash of color. Now I'm taking this silver color and I'm gonna take a very thin brush, and I'm gonna take it from the inner corner towards the first 1/3 of the eye. So as you can see, I'm really blending it in the black, so it looks like a nice blend of colors. And I'm also gonna apply it on my lower lash line. And now I'm taking the black again and I'm gonna intensify my lower lash line, and we're really gonna create a drop shadow effect. So firstly, I'm applying the brown really well on the kajal base, and now again I'm taking these two colors and I'm gonna smudge it with the color bar smudging brush. And as you can see, we have got a bit of drop shadow effect there. Now I'm taking this champagne color on the inner corner of the eye, and I'm really blending it above. We're not gonna keep the color really intense, but it's gonna be very blended. Finally, onto the mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes Mascara, and I'm gonna apply it on my top and bottom lashes, of course, and I'm gonna apply like 2 to 3 layers, because the mascara really helps to make the smoky eye even more intense, and your eyes will look really open in spite of having applied really dark color. So make sure you do this step. And this is one of the most important steps, guys. Make sure you apply concealer after you do your smoky eye, because this is gonna make your eyes pop and you are gonna look flawless. So very important, guys, whenever you're doing a black smoky eye, make sure you apply concealer after you do your smoky eye. And even if you have any fallout, this will just ensure that it's really concealed. finally I'm taking this highlighting color and applying it to my brow bone. And now onto the contour, I'm taking my NYKAA contour palette, my trusty and beloved contour palette, and I'm gonna contour my cheeks as well as my jawline, and I'm gonna take the lighter color for the cheeks and the darker color for my jawline, and I'm gonna blend it really well with my YBB makeup perfector so that it looks really blended into the skin. For the blush, I'm gonna use this We Face blush from Maybelline, and I see Sonam using a lot of pink corally blushes, so I'm gonna drag it onto the temples and apply it even on the apples of the cheeks. For the highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Skincare highlighter in the shade Golden, and guys, my camera didn't do justice to this highlighter. It is very pigmented. I don't know why it doesn't look very pigmented on the camera, and you can really layer this highlighter up to make it even more intense. And finally we're on to the lips. It's a 3-step process. So firstly I'm applying the essence lip liner in the shade Cute Pink. This is a very nice nude color, and I'm gonna apply it even on my lips so that we get a nice base for the color. Once that is done, I'm gonna apply this lip gloss by Max Factor, and it has slightly pinkish undertone, so I'm gonna apply it. And finally I'm layering this whitish silver shadow just on the center, and I'm gonna apply the gloss on it so that it becomes one with the lip. So that's it guys, we are done. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to keep these tips and tricks in mind whenever you're trying a smoky eye, and I'm sure you'll be acing your smoky eye soon. So guys, make sure to like this video, comment down below your feedback and your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel. And also follow me on my Instagram account. The link will be in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.